Welcome back to my living room. Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I was sent this wireless HDMI transmitter. I was asked to review it, and my experience of this is kind of all over the place. Let me explain. So in the box, you get the device itself, and there is a button on top to allow you to switch from basically Apple mode to not Apple mode, so your Windows and Android. It comes with a flat HDMI cable as well as a USB to USB power cable. It does not come with a power brick. I currently have it hooked up to my TV over here. It's this tiny little box. It is currently powered on. It is blinking, so I'm going to go ahead and switch my television to input 3 where I have it plugged in. So when you select the input that this device is connected to, you will have an option for iOS mode, and when you click on the button, give it a second, and it switches to your Windows instructions. I'm going to start off with iOS mode, and this is where I think it has the most amount of problems in my experience. On the box, it says it is 5G compatible, as in 5G Wi-Fi, but in my experience, at least with mobile, 5G did not perform the best. Like, you can display text well, but you can't play your videos back well, and everything performed better in the 2.4G band Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to my 5G Wi-Fi signal. Then I'm going to swipe down, come to screen sharing, select the Renk chip 75B0. So you're gonna have to trust me on some of this because I can't record my phone screen and show you what's happening back here. So we're just gonna zoom in. I am currently connected to the device. I just feel like the color reproduction from this thing is not that great. For example, if I pull up a recent photo I shot and posted on Instagram, this way you can kind of compare contrast. This is what it looks like on my phone, and I realize you're looking at it through a camera on a screen and then also another screen, but this is what it looks like on my phone, and this is what it looks like on my TV. The blacks and the shadows are vastly different. So again, phone, TV, and again, this is the other photo I posted, and this is probably the easiest one you're going to be able to tell. This is my phone. You can see that there's a lot of shades of gray. The TV. Your shadows just get muddied as all get out. Now, if I were to say connect my phone to my Apple TV, here's that first photo on my phone. Here's that photo on my TV. It's slightly better. Now let's go to the other photo. Again, lots of grays. And you can see the grays. That's what it is on the Apple TV. On this device, it like muddies everything. So I don't want to hear how it can do all this like 4K whatever. Like, no. I don't believe you in the slightest. Now, I know this is a phone to your TV, but I'm already not super satisfied with this. It's worse if you try to play a video. But also, that's over my 5G Wi-Fi. If I try to switch to my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band, now if I try to play that same video, and this is from my Instagram story from a while ago. Well, I'm still red. But also, it plays smoothly. So again, I don't want to hear about this 5G-ish. Do not put it on your box if you can't do your 5G well. So if this product only works well about half the time, why am I even talking about it? Let's say you just want a way to be able to display, say, a PowerPoint or some text or some photos, and you just want a end-all, be-all solution for iOS, Apple, Android, and Windows, then this is pretty decent. So actually, I'm going to grab my laptop here. I'm going to pull up some images and show you the difference. On my MacBook, I have True Tone turned off. This is what the image looks like on my computer, and that's what it looks like on my TV. In this particular situation, the color reproduction is actually not too bad. Now let's go to that other photo. Again, lots of shadows, and that's the photo on my television. That looks a lot better. Now let's try to play a video. Again, I'm on my 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal, and this is the playback. Like, this is supposed to be the better option, and it sucks. Once again, if I go to my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal, it's still not great because there is lag, but it's more usable. But like, let's say you need to just display some text, so like, here's my outline for this literal video that you're watching right now. Like, the response time is pretty good. I can come back to YouTube, and the scrolling, yeah, there's a little bit of lag, but like, if you're just presenting, this is not too bad. And the same problem occurs over in Windowsville. So give me a second to switch over to that. Unfortunately, I cannot show you Android, so this is the closest thing you're gonna get. Now, if I want to use the same device to connect to a Windows or Android device, I need to just hit the button on the wireless HDMI device. It switches from iOS to Android. Then on Windows, however, now I'm using Windows 11, and it's really annoying on Windows 11. So basically, go into your system, go under display, scroll down till you get to multiple displays, scroll down even further, and you're going to go connect to a wireless display. Then your device should show up in the pop-up, and you'll select it, and it should connect. Oh. When I was testing this, that never happened. But that's just reason number 2 why I really can't recommend this device. Very iffy. You can also choose to duplicate your screen. You can choose to extend your screen or use second screen only, so essentially your TV becomes your monitor. I'm going to duplicate so I can show you exactly what oh dear Lord. Here's that first photo, and there's the photo on my TV, laptop screen. They're fairly similar. Like, they're not too bad. So let's go to our previous photo. Lots of shadows. And again, decent shadows. And I am once again connected to my 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal. Let's go ahead and try to play a video. Okay, so this time it's doing a little bit better, but not by much. Except I am playing it at 720p. Let's try 4K. Well, nope, there it goes. Let's switch to my 2.4 gigahertz signal, and let's play our video. I was just gonna say it's playing fairly smoothly, and then it did that. You know what? I started recording this video with the intent of maybe it's usable in some situations, trying to look on the brighter side of things. That was my experience when I was testing, prepping for this video. Upon further review, I just simply cannot recommend this product. So maybe HDMI cables should stick to being physical cables. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for being here. and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.